Hi there, today we're going to be looking at a problem that we see on a lot of doors, and that's that the Weatherseal has shrunk. And you see here it's come away from the edge of the door. In some climates we get it where the installers don't tuck it round under the door when they put the door in. We get this shrinkage. So we're going to show you how to do this today, and it's fairly straightforward. As you can see, we've got a groove under here and the Weatherseal slides in and out. Handy hint for you is that we put some silicone inside that channel, and it'll help the new rubber slide in nicely. So let's get on with it and we'll see how we go. Okay, so here we have the rubber, as you can see, sliding out. It just slides out of the end there, past the door, and that's it. We've now got a nice clear channel running down the length of the door. So here we're just going to spray some of this in here, like this. And that'll help the door, help the new rubber slide into the door. So here we go, this is the new rubber installed, as you can see. And out with the old, in with the new. Simple as that.